Engineering drawing is probably the most convenient and reliable form of communication among individual engineers and working teams worldwide. Engineering drawing constitutes a technical language involving geometrical entities and symbols to use it for representing, describing, and passing information necessary for the manufacturing of functional, high-quality industrial parts. The information contained in engineering drawing is necessary during all discrete stages of product development cycle. However, engineering drawing is especially useful when we start developing a product, as well as in the end when the manufactured part is inspected and evaluated according to the quality specifications appeared to engineering drawing. There are many types of technical drawings that should be adapted depending on the kind of information that needs to be given. Each type of technical drawing provides the appropriate tools an engineer should utilize. Obviously, the ever-increasing demands for cost reduction planning and productivity have inevitably led to the choice of flexible tools such as computer-aided engineering environments. However, the use of such new technologies do not or shouldn't entail the avoidance of conventional methods and their corresponding tools, as they establish the reference point for gaining the necessary experience in engineering design, either for a product design engineer or manufacturing engineer or even a machinist. An engineer who is about to design a product that can be manufactured whilst simultaneously maintaining a low-cost production should consider basic engineering drawing rules mostly related to the representation of objects using their basic views, the regulations for standards depending on the elements under question, for example sketching techniques using the different kinds of drawing lines, standards for machine elements and their fittings, tolerances, etc., the several properties of the available engineering materials, the configuration of the equipment available to be used to manufacture products, and knowledge about cost analysis techniques.